A Cancer Organization Website Guide. Chapter 1. A Cancer Organization Website Guide. A list of cancer organizations. 1. PatientPower.info/resources. American Cancer Society. Cancer.org. 800, ACS 2345. American Society of Clinical Oncology, ASCO. ASCO.org. 703-299-0150. ASCLS. ASCLS.org. 571-748-3770. CanCare. CANCR.org. 888-461-0028. Cancer Care. CancerCare.org. 800-813-HOPE. Cancer Today. AACR, American Association for Cancer Research. AACR.org. 866-423-3965. Chemotherapy.com. 800-772-6436. ClinicalTrials.com. ClinicalTrials.com. 800-664-5099. ClinicalTrials.gov. ClinicalTrials.gov. 888, find NLM. Consumer Dangers. ConsumerDangers.com. European Association for Palliative Care, EAPC. EAPCnet.eu. Immerman Angels. immermanangels.org. 866-463-7626. International Melanoma Foundation. SafeFromTheSun.org. 866-463-6663. Lab Tests Online. LabTestsOnline.org. Lung Cancer Online. LungCancerOnline.org. Melanoma International Foundation. melanomaintl.org. 866-463-6663. Medivisor. Multiple Myeloma Fighters. mmfighters.home.comcast.net. 425-432-2928. National Bone Marrow Transplant Link. nbmtlink.org. 800-546-5268. National Cancer Institute. Cancer.gov. 800-422-6237. National Certification Commission for Acupuncture and Oriental Medicine, NCOM. nccom.org. 703-548-9004. People Living with Cancer. plwc.org. 703-797-1914. Prostate Cancer Petition. prostatecancerpetition.org. Sharsharet. sharet.org. 866-474-2774. Stress, Anxiety, and Depression Resource Center. stress-anxiety-depression.org. Strikeout Cancer. strikeoutcancer.org. 617-308-4468. The Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. lls.org. 800-955-4572. The National Pain Foundation. nationalpainfoundation.org. 303-783-8899. The U.S. Oncology Network. usoncology.com. 800-381-2637. The Wellness Community. thewellnesscommunity.org. 888-793-well. US2 International. usdoo.com. 800-329-1165. Washington Comprehensive Cancer Control Partnership. doh.wa.gov/you-and-your-family/illness-and-disease/cancer/comprehensive cancer contract ol.aspx. 360-236-3784. 0. The Project to End Prostate Cancer. zerocancer.org. 888-245-9455. A list of cancer organizations. 2. American Institute for Cancer Research. 1759 R. St. N.W. Washington, D.C. 20069. 202-328-7744. 800-843-8114. AICR web at aicr.org. aicr.org. Information hotline, Penpal Club. Cancer Counseling and Research Center. 1300 Summit. Number 710. FT. Worth, Texas 76102. 817-335-4823. Cancer Research Foundation of America. 200 Daingerfield Road. Number 200. Alexandria, Virginia 22314. 800-227 CRFA. crfa.org. PreventCancer.org. Support organization offering education and treatment. Cancer Research Institute. 681 5th Avenue. NYC 10022. 800-99 Cancer. 800 Hourgift. cancerres@aol.com. cancerresearch.org. European Organization for Research on Treatment of Cancer. Institut Jules Bordet. 1000 Brussels, Belgium. Food and Drug Administration FDA. Emergency Investigational New Drug. IND Program. Drug Information Branch. Cancer Liaison Program. 5600 Fishers Lane. Park Lawn Building, Room 949. Rockville, Maryland 20857. 301-827-4573, Drug Information Branch. Fax. 301-827-4577. FDA.gov. People with cancer not eligible for clinical trials may be able to receive drugs not yet approved by the FDA by having their doctor apply for an emergency IND. Hereditary Cancer Institute. Creighton University. 2500 California Plaza. Omaha, Nebraska 68178. 800-648-8133. Research on the Genetic Basis of Cancer. National Coalition for Cancer Research. 800-9 Research. Free information. National Foundation for Cancer Research. 7315 Wisconsin Avenue. Number 332. Bethesda, Maryland 20891. 301-654-1250. United Cancer Research Society. Highland, CA. 800-286-0958. American Cancer Society. Cancer.org. The American Institute for Cancer Research. AICR.org. The American College of Radiation Oncology. ACRO.org. American Society for Therapeutic Radiology and Oncology. ASTRO.org. American Association for Cancer Research. AACR.org. ASCO, American Society of Clinical Oncology. ASCO.org. The American Society of Pediatric Hematology/Oncology. ASPHO.org. Association for International Cancer Research. AICR.org.uk. Breast Cancer Society of Canada. BCSC.ca. British Association of Surgical Oncology. BASO.org.uk. Canadian Cancer Society, Société Canadienne du Cancer. Cancer.ca. Canadian Oncology Societies. COS.ca. European Association of Dermato-Oncology. EADO.org. EANO, European Association for Neuro-Oncology. ENO.de. European Society of Surgical Oncology. SO-surgeonline.be. Federation of European Cancer Societies. FECS.be. The Institute of Cancer Research. icr.ac.uk. International Psycho-Oncology Society. ipos-society.org. National Cancer Center. ncc.go.jp. National Cancer Institute of Canada. ncic.cancer.ca. Oncology Nursing Society. ons.org. Society of Gynecologic Oncologists. sgo.org. Society for Neuro-Oncology. soc-neuro-onc.org. The Society of Surgical Oncology. surgonc.org. Singapore Cancer Society Breast Cancer. singaporecancersociety.org.sg. Breast Cancer Foundation Singapore. bcf.org.sg. A list of cancer organizations. 3. CFAC, Cancer Financial Assistance Coalition. Financial assistance organizations help cancer patients. cancerfac.org. Healthwell Foundation. healthwellfoundation.org. Financial assistance options. Options for financial assistance from the National Cancer Institute. supportergs.cancer.gov/home.aspx. Cancer Care. Cancer Care is a national nonprofit, 501c3, organization providing free, professional support services to anyone affected by cancer. 800-813-HOPE, 4673. cancercare.org/helpinghand. Patient Advocate Foundation. The Patient Advocate Foundation has a national financial resource directory to assist patients find financial assistance. patientadvocate.org. 877-563-7468. American Brain Tumor Association. abta.org. Boston Cancer Support. Massachusetts. bostoncancersupport.org. Cancer Care. Free, professional support services. cancercare.org. Cancer Hope Network. cancerhopenetwork.org. Cancer Monthly. cancermonthly.com. ChemoCare. chemocare.com. Coalition of Cancer Cooperative Groups. cancertrialshelp.org. Cure Magazine. curetoday.com. enclive.com. Cancer Support Community. cancersupportcommunity.org. CaringBridge. caringbridge.org. Esophageal Cancer Awareness Association. ecaware.org. Lance Armstrong Foundation. livestrong.org. Lung Cancer Alliance. lungcanceralliance.org. Manage Care. managecancer.org. Finances, medication, travel, housing. managecancer.org. The Melanoma International Foundation. melanomaforum.org. Michael's Mission. Colorectal cancer. michaelsmission.org. National Brain Tumor Society. braintumor.org. Teen Cancer America. teencanceramerica.org. The Fourth Angel Mentoring Program. Matches cancer patients and their caregivers with a volunteer. fourthangel.org. The National Coalition for Cancer Survivorship, NCCS. canceradvocaki.org. The National Comprehensive Cancer Network. nccn.com. Patient Advocate Foundation. patientadvocate.org. Patient Resource Cancer Guide. Map the Cancer Journey. List of cancer treatment facilities. patientresource.com. Sarcoma Alliance. sarcomaalliance.org. The Life Raft Group. Gastrointestinal stromal tumor, patients. liferaftgroup.org. Vital Options. Global Cancer Dialogue vitaloptions.org. Lotsa Helping Hands. Caregiving Coordination Service. lotsahelpinghands.com. My Lifeline. mylifeline.org. A list of cancer organizations. 4. Cancer.org, American Cancer Society. ASCO.org, American Society of Clinical Oncology. Cancer.gov/cancer information. CancerNews.com, Cancer News on the Net. Leukemia.org, Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. NatLBCC.org, National Breast Cancer Coalition. oncolink.upenn.edu, OncoLink, Cancer Database. BlockCancer.org, RA. Block Cancer Foundation, Practical Advice. Healthwatcher.net/iscan/index.html, Skin Cancer Awareness Network. aap.org/section/hema-nc/index.htm, American Academy of Pediatrics, section on hematology/oncology. 847-434-4000. Fax, 847-434-8000. oncolink.upenn.edu, OncoLink, University of Pennsylvania. 215-349-8895. Fax, 215-349-5445. AACR.org, American Association for Cancer Research. 215-440-9300. 866-423-3965. Fax, 215-440-9313. Acro.org, American College of Radiation Oncology. 301-368-3733. Fax, 630-571-7837. ASCO.org, American Society of Clinical Oncology, ASCO. 703-299-0150. Fax, 703-299-1044. ASPHO.org, American Society of Pediatric Hematology/Oncology. 847-375-4716. Fax, 847-375-6316. Astro.org, American Society for Therapeutic Radiology and Oncology. 800-962-7876. 703-502-1550. Fax, 703-502-7852. AUSW.org, Association of Oncology Social Workers. 215-599-6093. Fax, 215-545-8107. APON.org, Association of Pediatric Oncology Nurses. 847-375-4724. Fax, 877-734-8755. Bonetumor.org, bonetumor.org. Educational site run by doctors. 617-965-6301. Cancercare.org, cancercare.org. Excellent information and assistance resources, phone. 800-813-4673. Fax, 212-712-8495. Children'sOncologyGroup.org, Children's Oncology Group. Formerly CCG and POG. 626-447-0064. Fax, 626-445-4334. IARC.fr, International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC. 330-472-738-485. Fax, 330-472-738-575. SIOP.NL, International Society of Pediatric Oncology. 01131-40-269-7544. Fax, 01131-40-269-75-45. ONS.org, Oncology Nursing Society. 412-859-6100. 866-257-4667. Fax, 412-859-6100. 6162. opnet.org, Oncology Physician Network. 215-728-3539. Fax, 215-728-4766. Sarcoma.net, sarcoma.net. 617-632-5122. Fax, 617-632-3408. ukccsg.org, United Kingdom Children's Cancer Study Group. 44-0-116-249-4460. Fax, 44-0-116-254-9504. A list of cancer organizations. 5. Livestrong.org. AICR.org. Gildasclub.com. Cancer.org. LLS.org. Teamintraining.org. SDJude.org. AllBloodCancers.org. CharityNavigator.org. Lymphoma.org. TheMemRF.org. Betamatch.org. nccn.org/patients/guidelines/cancers.aspx. Lymphomaresources.com. Lungevity.org. lungevity.org/events/hope-summit-events. Lungcanceralliance.org. lung.org. iaslc.org. lcfamerica.org/about. cancercare.org. cancer.gov. cancer.org, American Cancer Society. 800-227-2345. 404-320-3333. Fax, 404-325-0230. Umbrella Cancer Organization. AICR.org, American Institute for Cancer Research. 800-843-8114. 202-328-7744. Fax, 202-328-7226. abc-survivors.net, Adult Bone Cancer Survivors Stories of Survivors. Cancer.ca, Canadian Cancer Society. 888-939-3333. 416-961-7223. Fax, 416-961-4189. Canadian Cancer Organization. Cancercare.org, Cancer Care Incorporated. 212-712-8400. Fax, 212-712-8495. Counseling, support groups, and info. CancerResearch.org, Cancer Research Institute. 800-992-2623. 212-688-7515. Fax, 212-832-9376. Immunologic treatment. Candlelighters.org, Candlelighters Childhood Cancer Foundation. 800-366-2223. 301-962-3520. Fax, 301-962-3521. Candlelighters.ca, Candlelighters Childhood Cancer Foundation of Canada. 800-363-1062. 416-489-6440. Fax, 416-489-9812. ChiLifeline.org, Chi Lifeline. 877 Chi Life. 212-465-1300. Fax, 212-465-0949. Supports Jewish families and parents with catastrophically and chronically ill children. FertileHope.org, Fertile Hope. 888-994-HOPE, a non-profit organization dedicated to helping cancer patients faced with infertility. Flashesofhope.org, Flashes of Hope. 440-442-9700, dedicated to creating uplifting portraits of children fighting cancer and other life-threatening illnesses. Locksoflove.org, Locks of Love. 888-896-1588. 561-963-1677. Fax, 561-963-9914. Organization dedicated to assisting children with hair loss. NowH.org, National Association of Hospital Hospitality Houses. Inc. 800-542-9730. 828-253-1188. Fax, 828-253-8082. BlockCancer.org, National Cancer Hotline. Talk with a survivor. 1-800-433-0464. 816-932-8453. Fax, 816-931-7486. Cancer.gov/cancer_information, National Cancer Institute. National Children's Cancer Society.com, National Children's Cancer Society. 800-532-6459. 314-241-1600. Fax, 314-241-1996. CUResearch.org, National Childhood Cancer Foundation. 800-458-6223. 626-447-1674. Fax, 626-447-6359. Information for families of children with cancer. SarcomaAlliance.com, Sarcoma Alliance and Foundation. 415-381-7236. Fax, 381-7235. Nice information and support site for all sarcomas. SpecialLove.org, Special Love Incorporated. 540-667-3774. Fax, 540-667-8144. Offers. Programs to help children with cancer experience normal things that healthy children experience every day: laughing, running, swimming, and friends. ICCCPO.org, the International Confederation of Childhood Cancer. Parent organizations. 011-31-32-42-2944. Fax, 011-31-32-42-2945. NACCPO.org.uk, the National Alliance of Childhood Cancer Parent Organizations. 011-44-1785 600 and 3763. iCare.org, International Cancer Alliance. 800 iCare 61. 301-656-3461.